What's up, guys, and welcome back to mathematics class with teacher Matthew. Today we're going to talk about working with time. Now on to the warm-up. Imagine it is 8 o'clock in the morning. How could you figure out the time? That it is 10 hours before. Very simple. Subtract 12 hours first, which is 20 o'clock. Then add on 2 hours. What is another way you could figure out the time? Other ways we could figure out is count back. We count back the time. People are often asked to make estimates with time. What is your estimate of the number of hours in one school year? Now onto the workout. Number 1, write the current time on this clock. Use this time to answer questions 2 to 4. Let's say the current time is 9:15. Now, number 2, write each new time. 60 seconds later will be what time? Part A, 60 seconds later will be 9:16. Part B, 10 minutes later will be 9:25. Part C, 90 minutes later will be 10:45. Part D, 60 seconds ago. That means 60 seconds before. So the time will be 9:14. Part E, 10 minutes ago will be 9:05. Part F, 90 minutes ago will be 7:45. Number 3, how many hours and minutes have passed since midnight last night? 3A, how many hours and minutes have passed since midnight last night? That will be 9 hours and 15 minutes. 3B, write your answer again in minutes. That will be 555 minutes. Number 4A, how many hours and minutes will pass before midnight tonight? That will be 14 hours and 45 minutes. 4B, write your answer again in minutes. That will be 885 minutes. Now let's go to number 5. Write the missing morning or afternoon times. Number 5A, 10 hours before 10:35 will be 12:35. 10 hours after will be 8:35. 10 hours before 11:40, we subtract 10 hours from 11:40, we get 1:40. 10 hours after, we add 10 hours to 11:40, we get 21:40, which is 9:40 p.m. The same goes for 1920. Subtract 10 hours, you get 9:20. Add 10 hours, you get 5:20 a.m. Part B, 2.5 hours, which is 2 hours, 30 minutes. So 2.5 hours before 10:35, we get 8:05. So 2.5 hours after 10:35 will be 13:05. That means we had 2 hours, 30 minutes. The same goes for the next time, 23:09. We subtract 2 hours, 30 minutes, we get 20:39. We add 2 hours, 30 minutes, we get. Now number 6, tick. Recorded 1 hour, 20 minutes and 10 seconds on a stopwatch. Geek recorded 4,500 seconds on her stopwatch. Who recorded the greatest time? Show your thinking. So for number 6, took has 1 hour, 20 minutes, 10 seconds. So we convert her timing to seconds. The 1 hour we multiply by 60. The 20 minutes we multiply by 60. And add the 10 seconds. So we add all of them together, we get 4,810 seconds. 4,810 is greater than 4,500. So took has the greatest time. Now the fast finishers. Write three times during the school day that are A, 75 minutes apart. B, 100 minutes apart. So let's start from 9 o'clock. 75 minutes apart will be 10:15, and another 75 minutes apart will be 11:30. 100 minutes apart from 9 o'clock will be 10:40, and the next 100 minutes apart will be 12:20. And for the practice, lesson 1.11, page 16, please do it and send it to the group line.